Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to use merge fields in Salesforce email templates quickly and easily. First, open your Salesforce dashboard and click the app launcher, the grid icon in the top left. In the search bar, type email templates and select it from the results. Next, click new email template to start creating one. Give your template a name that's easy to recognize and add a short description so others know what it's for. After that, fill in the subject line. You can even use merge fields here to personalize the subject, like adding the recipient's name or company. Now, write your email content in the body section. This is where merge fields really shine. They pull data from Salesforce records, like contact names, job titles, or company info to make each email feel personal and relevant. To complete, choose a related entity type, like contact or opportunity. This tells Salesforce where to pull the merge field data from. Once everything looks good, click Save, and that's it. You've just created a personalized email template using merge fields in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.